Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu wassalamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, wa hadha siratu rabbika mustaqima qad fassalna al-ayati liqawmin yadhakkarun. Translation: This is the straight way of your Rabb. We have made our revealed verses distinct for the people and nations who take and remember advice. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala opens up the heart of those people who want to accept the truth, and those who reject the truth, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes their heart tight and congested, so the truth cannot enter them anymore. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that those people whose hearts are open to accept the truth and they start walking on the path that is led by the truth, this is the straight path, and this is the straight path of your Lord. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly given the ayahs of Quran so that those people who ponder on them will get the straight path. So there are two requirements to get on to the straight path. One, that the person's heart should not be filled with arrogance, with other diseases, with hate and with jealousy. His heart should be pure, and when the pure heart listens to the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it accepts the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, accepts the truth, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala further opens the heart to continue going on the straight path, which is the path of success. The straight path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the only path that will take someone towards the success in the paradise. Other paths are all crooked and they can never go to the success and paradise. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned here the path of your Lord, and these words fill up the heart of the believer with confidence and surety. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, لهم دار السلام عند ربهم وهو وليهم بما كانوا يعملون. Translation: For them is a home of peace with their Rabb. He will be their wali, guardian for what they used to do. So those people who get the straight path and starts walking on them and continue doing the good deeds, for those successful and fortunate people, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made a home of peace, which is the paradise, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be their wali, guardian, meaning He will be their friend. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is someone's friend, he has nothing to worry about. He will have no fear of the future, and he will have no regret for the past. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who have a pure heart, and oh Allah, open our heart for the truth and make us among those who walk on the straight path, and make us among those who will enter the paradise. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.